Hi, my name is Brian. I'm a Tech 3 at East Fair Lakes. On my off time, I like to work on cars.
My name is Pedro. I'm the Tech 3 of Fairfax City, and I like to be with my family.
My name is Marvin. I'm a Tech 2 at East Fair Lakes. I love to spend time with my family. We like to go camping and fishing.
Hi, my name is Samuel. I'm the Tech 2 at East Fair Lakes, and I really like soccer. My favorite team is Barcelona.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's it.
No.
I'm short. That's all you get.